Let's be honest, you can't thrive as an adult unless you get organized around paying your bills. So I made this automated bill pay tracker to make sure you never forget about paying your bills. Once you pay a bill, all you have to do is mark it as paid, and it will automatically move to the bottom of your past bills tab, and a timestamp will be added under payment date. Any new bills not already included will appear on the To Add tab. And best of all, it's super easy to use, so let me show you. So let's say I want to add a new bill under the bill list for Shopify. We'll say it's $10 and it's due on the 4th of every month. I can sort this by the due date if I want to, just to make it a little bit easier on the eyes. It's giving me this heads up because I'm adjusting the formulas in columns A and B, but in this case, that's okay. So now things are in order, and you can see under To Add, I have Shopify that appeared. Now this will be done automatically, so you won't have to do this, but this automation will run every morning. But just for visualization purposes, I'll run it manually. So everything disappeared from the To Add column and was added to the bottom of the Pending Bills tab. And as you can see, we have the days until due automatically populating. Whenever we pay the bill, all we have to do is mark the status as paid, and those bills will automatically be removed from this list and moved to the bottom of the Past Bills tab. I filmed this on September 1st, so I'm going to change the time zone to something where it's already September 2nd. And now that it's September 2nd on the bill list, you can see that the next due date automatically updated for rent to be October 1st instead. And that's because that's the next due date after today. Now, if we haven't paid the rent for September 1st yet, it will still be on the Pending Bills tab. But since it has a different due date, you'll still see the new rent automatically populate under To Add. And just like I mentioned before, this is automatically done on the back end every single morning. But once the day rolls over, it will automatically add the new bill to the bottom of the Pending Bills task, and that way it's on your list for next time. So that's how to use the automated bill pay tracker. The template is live on my shop if you want to buy it, or there's a full tutorial on YouTube if you want to build it yourself. And as always, like and comment for more.